Hi, here's how to add confetti to your smooth.io page. First off, create a custom confetti animation and generate the code to install on your website by visiting ConfettiPage.com. It's free. Click the black button that says Copy Code, go to smooth.io, and after logging in on the main menu, hover your mouse on top of landing pages and then My Landing Pages. Next, select the landing page that you want to add the confetti page on by clicking on the edit icon. Once you're inside the editor, look for Settings. It's here on top, and then click it. Please note, you can disregard the content you're seeing on this page. It is simply being used for demonstration purposes. Now, once you're in Settings, scroll down and click the drop down for Advanced Settings. Now, under Tracking Codes, click the drop down again, and this time we're looking for Conversion Codes, which is for the code head or the header. Right-click with your mouse and click Paste to add the code you copied from ConfettiPage.com earlier, or use the text shortcut Control-V for Windows or Command-V for Mac to paste the code. Once you see the confetti code pasted, click on the Save button here on the upper right corner. Now, to see the confetti animation in action, test it out by clicking Publish Options here on the upper right corner. Click on your link and it will open in a new tab. If you did all the steps above correctly, the confetti code will work. Congratulations! And by the way, if you are using the free version, you will see the ConfettiPage.com branding appear at the bottom left. If you would like it removed, simply pay for a license to use it without the watermark.